Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I just got back from work. I went to go touch up a bride. That's why it's way later in the day. So I went to like her bridal suite in between her getting married and the party or whatever. Did some touch-ups. We're back home right now. Probably like last week I filmed my fall decor, like setting it up and stuff. But I was editing it and I did not deliver in that vlog. It was kind of uncomfortable for me to watch and like boring. So I would never do that to you. I would never put you through that. So we're just gonna kind of combine it with today's vlog. So today is the 19th of October. Tomorrow, Drew and I are having a Halloween party. So Drew and I were talking. We've been together for about maybe 9 years now. And as we progress in our relationship, going from two 17-year-olds to now young adults/adults, we want to continuously progress our relationship and evolve our relationship as well. So we were talking about things we could do each month to cater to our relationship. What we've been doing for the past, this is now the second month that we came up with this, is we'll get together and just think of things that correlate with the theme of that month. So for this month, we're going off the theme of harvest and gathering and all that. So we were like, what could go off of the theme of that? And so we decided we were gonna plan a party together because that's a fun way to connect and grow together. Usually I'm the one planning the party, so it's a way for us to connect in our relationship and grow our relationship because usually he gives me the wheel in planning things and going out shopping and all that. So we're gonna do this together tonight, and then tomorrow is our Halloween party. These might be two separate vlogs. With that being said, my fall decor is already set up right now. What I'll kind of do is show you the fall decor rather than setting it up for a vlog, plain. And we will decorate for Halloween together in this vlog. With that being said, I'm waiting for Drew to get home. Then we're gonna decide where we want to shop for Halloween decor, and I don't know if we're gonna do food. Like we were talking, maybe we'll just order pizza, but I definitely want to have obviously chips, candy, all that stuff. So, it's home.
We're going shopping.
We're going shopping
for Halloween stuff. We're going shopping. Go shopping, go shopping.
So what are we gonna plan for everybody?
So
we're so last minute.
I know, we really are.
Tomorrow's the party. We're going shopping, and I have work tomorrow too.
Well, so yeah, what should we do?
Do you have any ideas? We were supposed to look up a cocktail, like a drink, a mixed drink that we were supposed to make.
No, I was saying like, wouldn't it be cool to have like,
I'm cold.
To see if there was like an alcoholic version of like the candy apples.
Oh. Okay, well let's figure that out.
But first, we need to get prepared. We're gonna be doing shopping, we're gonna be doing buying, we're gonna be doing lots of things that involve good taste.
My turn.
I can do anything.
I am smart, I am butter, so I can do. I double jumped to myself. Look at our poor ass decorations.
This is it.
This
is
lame.
the party.
This is lame.
This is the party. No, honestly, you did such a good job. Look at this.
Oh,
Come
I didn't
on.
show. Okay, so wait, Drew.
Oh, sorry.
It's like falling off there. In my epic fail decorate with me vlog that never went up, I showed all of this, but yeah, this is it for the kitchen.
Insert clips here.
There's a banner, there's a pumpkin, there's some lights. Like, I'm such a bad YouTuber. I can't. But I won't show you the living room. Oh, you'll have to wait for that. Okay, so let's go. Where do we? Party City, Dollar Tree, what are we doing?
We're setting the world on fire. Let's go to Party City.
Yeah.
Then let's go to Michael's.
Michael's?
No?
I just figured Dollar Tree has candy. Or Target, I don't know.
We have the table over there and we can get like a pumpkin like tablecloth.
Yeah, well,
the table,
I think
and we
it's
can
already,
set up.
it's very fall, but it's not Halloween, and we're having a Halloween party, so we need to Halloweenify this.
Okay, so I see what you're saying.
Like, we need
So
some
maybe,
spider webs and...
Like, come on, we need to do something with this.
Yeah.
I got you.
We need to put, like, a corpse on there.
Yeah, we need to put
Well,
her head on
well,
there.
she's already headless. Okay, we're on our way. This is good. I feel like we need some spider webs.
Yes, and like some like spider webs
Caution
in the
tape.
corner, some cobwebs, some dust bunnies.
Let's
on our way to.
That's how you leave the apartment.
Oh.
Oh, we have to shut the lights on.
What? What?
I'm looking for like decor, but it's all like, I hate to say it, but expensive. Like overpriced expensive. I could find this same exact stuff somewhere else, and we're gonna do that. Don't get me wrong, there's really like cool, unique stuff, but like I think for what we're going for, like we're not getting all this scary. So we're not doing like a scary haunted house kind of theme, but like
we don't really do it,
like the regular stuff. That banner, $7. Party City, they had some good stuff, but we're not going for like a haunted house vibe. And like I feel like just for a banner, like $7, I don't know, that's gonna add up really fast. And I feel like for what we're doing, we don't really need to, like, we want to buy the alcohol. Just kidding.
Yeah, we want pizza and booze.
Yeah, we're like, should we spend our money on the food? I don't want to come off as cheap, but I like getting value for what I'm getting. If I could DIY it like at the Dollar Tree and just make cute things for spending $5, like I'd rather do that, if you know what I mean.
That would have been a cool video.
Well, maybe that'll be this video.
Maybe it will.
We're gonna go to the Dollar Tree tonight just because we know it's open and it's close, and then possibly Target tomorrow. Right, let's do it. See, that's what I'm talking about. Glow sticks for $1. Let's get glow sticks.
Look, there are 5 pieces.
Yeah, let's get some of those. See, creepy cloth here, $1. Creepy cloth at Party City, $14.
Oh, look at this. It's like a brain mold.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
We could make Jello.
There's a brain.
Pink lemonade Jello. Do you want to?
Caution tape. That's a yes.
Do you want to get this or no?
I don't know. What do you want to make out of
No,
it?
it's a mold for, like, you put Jello in it. And then
Yeah, but who eats Jello?
Alright, sorry, I like Jello.
Do people eat that? Oh yeah, this is where it's at. I hate to break it to you, Party City, but Dollar Tree's got your one up on you. By a landslide.
Suck it, Party City.
Here's the deal. So, yeah. Let me show you what Dollar Tree hooked us up with for under $30. Firstly, garland. We can make garland work in this apartment, as you know. Another garland. Spider webbing. Should be $1. It's literal trash. LED strobe light.
Hope none of our friends get seizures.
Right, treat bags. A wall decor hanging. This stupid thing. Creepy cloth. Fright tape. Bag full of cups with creepy hands on them for each of our guests. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's more. But these are the ones we got, Drew and I. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, dishes for candy. Dishes for this thing I'm gonna make. Glow sticks for $1, not 20. Some more cute Halloween decor. And last but not least, buckets to either put chips or candy in. I mean, it's something, folks, it's something. I think the LED light and like the wall hanging, like that's gonna be great. What else do we need, Drew?
Nothing.
Nothing
else, just Chinese food.
You're hungry. Okay, well, we were gonna continue shopping, but it's 8:30. Wait, hold on. But it's 8:30 at night. We're gonna pick this thing up tomorrow in between work and the party. And also, tonight we're just gonna straighten up the apartment so that's ready to go. Okay, bye.
Get you guys back for the part 2.